Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by checking installed games on each platform, starting with console library and PC launchers. Open PlayStation, Xbox, Steam, or Battle. Net and list Call of Duty entries. Note install sizes like 80 GB or 120 GB so you can plan storage. Record which season content or DLC you still want. Locate game folders or app pages before you begin deleting any files. Make sure you are logged into the account owning the purchases. Prepare an external drive if you might want to backup. On console, use settings and then storage or manage game to uninstall safely. Select Call of Duty, choose delete or uninstall, and confirm the removal. On PC, open Steam, Battle, Net, or Windows apps and features to uninstall the game. Remove associated DLC and 30 GB or 50 GB modes to free extra space. After uninstalling, check the platform recycle bin or hidden installs for leftovers. Restart the system to ensure storage updates and verify free space has increased. After uninstalling, delete leftover game folders in program files or saved games to reclaim space. Check user folders like documents and app data for residual files and remove them. Backup saves to cloud or external drive before deleting if you plan to reinstall later. If cloud saves are enabled, confirm sync status before you remove local files. When reinstalling, verify integrity or redownload using 10 GB to 100 GB based on edition and content. Finally, empty trash or recycle bin and run a quick disk cleanup to finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.